Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. One thing I do want to tell you guys, if you guys are up and early this morning, we do not get inserts today's paper. So I just ended up with a coincidence as my newspaper ended up coming to me all of a sudden, which is fine because I have to renew it. I just have to wait a couple days to renew it so I can get a new plan. But it's perfect because I won't be getting newspapers for at least a week or so, so it's perfect. But just wanted to share with you guys new coupons to print on the coupons.com app, but I actually print my coupons on Swagbucks because I get points for every coupon that I print, plus then you get 25 points for every coupon that you redeem. It could take a long time before you get it, but I have almost $150 of points that I've saved up just from printing coupons. So there is that. If you guys are interested, I do have a referral link below that you guys can get some bonus money. So just want to share with you on that. There's tons of other things to do on this website, but I don't do it. I just mostly just print off coupons, so that's why I get paid for it. But enough with me talking. Let's show you guys new coupons to print. So here they got Quaker Steak, oatmeal, $1 off of 2. Oatmeal sounds super good right now. Actually, I think I'm gonna have some oatmeal because I'm sick of cereal all of a sudden. Here we got some M&M bars, $1 off of 2. I just found those at the grocery store the other day, and I'm like, those would be cool stocking stuffers. Here, the CoverGirl resets. We got $3 off coupons. We got $1 off of 2 Ragu. Here we got $4 off the Schwarzkopf hair dye, so I'm going to print that off. BOGO, buy one, get one free of hair dye. Another CoverGirl, $3 off. Lip products, $2 off. I feel like I use the eye one the most. That's one I'm going to print off. Otherwise, here's some Ludens. I love Ludens, so I'm going to print that off. I think there's a good deal with Ludens today. And then here with the Forte shot coupons reset, so I'm going to print that off because I'm giving those away for stocking stuffers. The $3 off Johnson gift set still reset, so you guys got that going on. Sorry, it's moved a little bit while I'm doing my video. La la la. Now here they got Johnson's $2 off coupons, and I'm going to take every advantage of printing off that stuff. They got Adidas, Beyonce, those coupons, the Nautica's down here below. They got those coupons, plus they have an Ibotta deal, and they have either Saving Star or Checkout 51. So you guys can get $9 off if you guys want to do something to like that. I think we also have inserts. I had them on my desk, but I don't know what I did with them. So we got inserts for that if you guys are interested. Lubriderm, $1.50 off. That's a pretty decent coupon. More Johnson's coupons, so we're going to print that one off. There's your Nautica. They have $1 off of Nivea. The Thermacare keeps resetting, so we got that going on with us. I wish Ziplocs would be going on sale. It's been a whole year literally since I've gotten Ziploc stuff on sale. And now we're going to the end. To the end, to the end, to the end. And then they have the Lindt candies for $1 off anyone. That is a great coupon. General Mills, I know there is a deal going on with that. Sorry, I gotta sneeze. Maybe not. And then we got $1 off Purell, so I'm going to definitely print that off. So those are the coupons that I'm printing off, and there's actually some pretty decent coupons. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you have a great day. I am going to CVS. I am going to Walgreens today. I finally have my motivation back, so just wanted to share with you guys on that, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.